Telastic. Communications at the speed of need. The transition from TDM to voice over IP is accelerating. VoIP already represents over 30% of all calling minutes, and Jupiter Research predicts that residential VoIP will grow to 25 million households by 2012, while Instat Research expects that VoIP penetration of U.S. businesses will reach 72% by 2013. Many carriers are struggling to transition to VoIP because it requires a large capital outlay for specialized hardware, and it's difficult to find technical staff with the right expertise. At the same time, many VoIP service providers are getting bogged down with the cost and operational challenges of building a carrier-grade infrastructure. So, how will carriers and service providers continue to adapt and evolve to stay competitive with larger players? Enter Telastic. Communications at the speed of need. Telastic is the next-generation voice platform from Pac-West that will change the way that carriers and service providers operate their business and significantly reduce their cost of doing business. Telastic is an innovative hosted operating environment for telecom services that allows carriers and service providers to evolve from expensive, cumbersome, and inefficient legacy telecom infrastructure into a service-based approach that is easy to adopt, scalable, and cost-effective. Telastic includes three main elements. First, carrier infrastructure comprised of Pac-West's new hosted session border controller technology combined with Pac-West's nationwide network for trusted interconnectivity. Second, application capacity, which includes communications optimized on-demand servers, automated phone number provisioning, and a flexible billing service to allow you to host and deploy your own applications on a pay-for-use model. And finally, a suite of white-label turnkey applications that provide a comprehensive VoIP feature set that you can tailor to the business or consumer solutions you wish to sell. Telastic gives you all the building blocks you need to deliver voice products to your customers in a way that fits your business. Here are three examples to illustrate how Telastic can be used. First, let's consider a cable operator that wants to add a voice offering to their residential customer base, but the cost of building an IP infrastructure and buying a VoIP solution is staggering. Using the Telastic platform, the cable MSO can deploy a turnkey VoIP solution with no upfront CapEx and only pay for each seat sold. Through a single interface, you can sign up your customers, and Telastic will take care of scaling up as you grow, provisioning the phone numbers, providing domestic and international connectivity, and can even bill your customers on your behalf. Next, let's look at a service provider that has developed its own VoIP application, but is finding that growing a scalable voice infrastructure is expensive and full of operational pitfalls. Using the Telastic platform, the service provider can install his application on the Telastic on-demand servers, and using our automated numbers provisioning, you can activate numbers and start routing calls immediately. Telastic will scale as you grow and only charge you for what you use. Finally, let's consider a regional carrier that is selling business and residential voice service, but the cost of infrastructure hardware such as session border controllers and a least cost routing solution means the investment will only pay back in 2 years or more. Using Telastic, the carrier can deploy our software-based Telastic border controller hosted inside Telastic or within the carrier's own network and only provision the numbers of ports needed. The Telastic border controller integrates session management with least cost rate and route management to ensure cost-optimized and quality-optimized routing. Telastic puts in your hands all the elements you need to deliver a best-in-class voice offering so you can be profitable from the first sale, get to market without delay, and eliminate the operational problems that are holding you back. For 30 years, Pac-West has provided wholesale communications infrastructure services that have enabled the world's best carriers and service providers to get a competitive edge and keep it. The future of voice is here. The future of voice is Telastic. Contact Pac-West Telecom to find out more. Telastic. Communications at the speed of need.